wears
What do you want?
crown thing that
What,
you get at
baby?
thrift shops, and that's how she
Babe, why are you
celebrates.
staring at me?
Four, we catch you. 1, 2, 3, 4, we catch you. The
Honey, what do you want?
the spot where they dumped her every single day. So
You
it has
okay?
something to do with a commute that they do.
Boy, I
They
tell you.
survey the area for a reason. They survey the area.
All right, y'all. I got my mosquito spray. I really wanted to get some lotion from, I think Avon. I'm not sure. Sonny, you told me about that. But anyway, I had to do this because, man, these mosquitoes are bad. I came out here about to work and like 4 mosquitoes already jumped on me. So let's go. Here we go. Oh, I'm about to change the alternator. By the way, let's go. All right, y'all. So this is on my wife's car. It's a Nissan Murano. And the alternator, you have to drop the AC clutch and everything. But I'm gonna get through it. All you gotta do is pray for me. Just pray. Pray for me. Dang, that's all I asked for. Let me stop playing. Let me get to it. And it's about to rain. Luckily, I am so glad I got a carport. So glad I got a carport. Put the tire under the car just in case it falls. It ain't gonna fall all the way down. Oh, that's easy. Taking these little clips off right here so I can pull this back. Alright, so first things first, I hear a noise. Before I even get to this alternator, I hear a noise within this area, and it's got something as either this, it's one of these things right here. So I'm going to cut the car on and see if I can track where that noise is coming from.
You can't put that pot on top of the tire? Flip it over? Why? Why? That's dangerous.
Alright, so I tried to start the car, so the battery's dead. Alright, so instead of me looking for the problem, I'm going to forget this noise for right now. I'm going straight to the alternator, which the alternator is right there. You see? So I'm going to have to take some things out to get to it. After that, I will charge. I'm guessing I'll have to charge the battery, but we'll see. And I don't know, y'all. I'm new with this. And we will move on. So I got to figure out a way to get this alternator out. This is hard. This doesn't move right here. This doesn't move. This is not flexible. Like that little flex piece I moved. So we're going to figure this out. Alright, so I'm going to take this belt off. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this belt off. And I'm going to take a look at the belt. And that's just what we're going to do. We're going to take the belt off and see what happens after that. That's what we're going to do. Might need something a little thicker than this. But I'm putting this in the hole to keep it from moving. So now I should be able to take the belt off.
Right. Ooh wee, look at this belt, y'all. Look at that. That's no good. Wow. It's on frayed on that side too a little bit. But right here, no good. No good belt. Our AC don't work either. So I'm trying to see if the clutch moves, so the clutch is not seized. Good. Seeing if anything is wobbly. Alright. Let's see what I do next. Well, we know the belt's bad. Okay. I'm going to unhook the battery because I'm about to start messing with electrical. I'm about to be messing with the alternator connection and everything. So I'm going to unplug the battery. Look, y'all. My wife made me put a pot. My wife made me put a pot on top of the tire because she said her anxiety went up because I don't have a stand that's long enough. So I put the tire under there. She said the tire ain't enough, so she made me put the pot there. I just put it there for her. I know it ain't going to do much, but it's the thought that counts. I'm gonna hit these and see if it make a different noise. I saw something on YouTube somebody was doing. Oh, that's prime, baby. Oh, that one sounds kind of funky. I don't think he hit this one. He didn't hit that. I'm changing the alternator, that's why I'm not messing with. I'm not gonna hit that one, so. This one don't sound good. Let's try this end. Let me switch it around. I don't know. I might change that one. I don't know. I might change that one. We'll see. Let me get to this alternator. I went to my car and I ended up getting this just in case because, I mean, it can be dangerous. And I've had a car fall on my foot before and it broke my toe. So, yeah, I put that there. So, we got a couple things protecting me. Alright, guys. So, what I decided to do is take off this pulley. I guess it's an idler pulley. I'm going to take this off because I'm going to have to take that off in order to get the alternator out. The alternator up here. So, I think it's bad. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and replace that. So, I'm going to take that off. Let's see, all I can find is a 1/4-inch drive so far. So let me see if I can get it with a 1/4-inch drive. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Ooh, that's up there, y'all. That is up there, baby. Let's see if I got another bigger hole. Let's see, 13. Oh, these are new. Right here, got one. Damn. Ooh, child. Oh, shit. It broke off in the thing. Oh, it's okay. I got other tools. I just gotta find it. Got other tools, just gotta find it. Alright, I found one. I found one, and I'm gonna use my breaker bar. Because this thing is apparently really up there. There we go. Alright. Thing was on there, y'all. Ba-da! Ba-da-ba-ba-ba! Alright, so I did some thinking, so I'm gonna have to take this off right here. Because in order to get it down, get the alternator dropped, I may have to drop, I'm gonna have to drop this. So for right now, I'm gonna take this loose. I need to lift these out and let it just sit down. And there's a clip back in here you guys can't see. I'm gonna loosen that clip so it can just sit, so I won't put no pressure on it. Well, maybe I don't have to do the clip, because the clip is already, you know. Just taking this stuff apart. Alright. Let's put this back so I won't lose it. Alright. So now, I'm gonna take this bottom bolt loose from the AC compressor. And the top one I'm just gonna loosen for now to try to figure out what I do next. So basically what I'm doing right now is getting stuff out of my way, making room. I need to break a bar for this. That thing was in there, y'all. It was in there. So I'm gonna take this bolt out and I'm just gonna loosen the top. I got some damn Loctite on it or something? Alright, I'm just gonna loosen this. Baby, I got a damn. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. Alright, I'm not taking the top one all the way off. I just wanted to loosen it. Loosen it a little bit more. Yeah. Whew, child. Dang. Hey y'all, I gotta go under the car now, so my wife gets nervous when I go under the car, so she's gonna come out here and sit with me while I'm under the car. There's some more bolts I can get to by getting under the car. I can't get it from sitting right here at the wheel. So, yeah, here we go. Alright, so this is the AC compressor. I got a bottom bolt and a top bolt, and I'm gonna take this down right here, just to get it out the way. Yeah. I need a small flathead. Maybe. Oh, sorry, baby. Huh? Damn, I need small. Babe, go in there in the shed where my tools are and see if you see a small, look, a small flathead. Yeah, it's small. You see a bunch of tools is in that little tool racket? You're in the right direction. Alright, let's see if this works. This way. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna put this screw back so I won't lose it. Yep. Alright, so I got that out of the way. Now, let me get the bottom of this compressor bolt out. I'm going to use my big one because the other ones was very hard to get off. Can't see. I ran into a problem here. Yeah, I got a smaller one. Is this 14? I got a smaller one. Choose that. Alright. So. Alright, I got it loose. It's a long bolt. I think I get the top one, the top bolt from the top. Maybe not. I don't know. Ba-boom! I get the top bolt from here. I think. Maybe, maybe not. And it looks like it's a knot. I didn't even know I was still recording. Alright. I got those bolts taken down, the top and the bottom of the compressor. But I got dirt on my face. Alright. Them bolts was in there, you hear me? Well, I don't think those bolts was ever taken out. Moving on. Alright, so now I'm going to take this bolt out and let the clutch just sit. It shouldn't move because I didn't disconnect any lines to it. So, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, the line is gonna hold it. There we go. Let's go up top. This might get in the way, but I'm just gonna put it there just for now, so I remember where it came from. Alright, now we're going to the alternator. See? The alternator. I ain't gonna move it. You can see it right here. This is the alternator.
Alright guys, right here I was taking out the bottom bolt from the alternator. Now I don't have this recorded, but I went to the top to try to take the top bolt off the alternator, and it was rounded off. So so far what I've got done is I unplugged the alternator, I got the bottom bolt off, and I took the ground off the alternator, but now I'm messing with the rounded off bolt. So I bought a swivel because the nut is at an angle, and you know, it just wasn't working on the rounded bolt. So what I did is I bought a bolt extractor. I haven't tried it yet, but I got it from Harbor Freight, and let's go ahead and order everything from Amazon. I am getting the alternator from AutoZone or I'm getting the alternator from AutoZone or Advance because of it's a lifetime warranty, but I'm ordering everything else off of Amazon. All right, so I'm ordering the parts, the belt tensioner that I told you guys that was bad. It made a different noise, and the belt, and this is the belt I'm ordering for the Nissan. Look, $8, much cheaper. I'm getting the alternator from Advance Auto or AutoZone because it's a lifetime warranty. I could get it much cheaper on Amazon, but we get a lifetime warranty if I, get it from the stores. So I'm gonna go that way. I'm going to show y'all tomorrow. I've had a hard time with a bolt. I got everything taken apart. The top bolt on the alternator is 2 bolts. The top bolt is stripped, and I tried to get it, but I bought a bolt extractor yesterday. So tomorrow morning, that's what we're going to be doing. So get your gloves and get your mosquito spray because that's what we're going to be working on. All right, guys. This is the next morning. This is the bolt right here. I'm flashing a light there, but I'm going to point to it right there. Right here is stripped. So I got bolt extractors, and let's see how that goes. Da da da! Got it going. Now just checking everything, making sure everything is copacetic. I cut this heat on too because I had drained the coolant, so I want to bleed the lines. And that, my friends, is how you get through everything. I got it fixed. Much love, guys.